Debunking myths of dental implant. Let's go. A dental implant is mainly used to replace missing teeth. What we do is we actually put a titanium into the bone of the missing teeth, and on top of it we place a replacement tooth. Getting implant is painful. The process of doing implant most of the time is less painful than when you extract your teeth. If everything is nice and good, that means you have sufficient bone. It's very easy process. Implants are for old people. Not true. A lot of people do lose their teeth when they are young. For example, car accident, skiing accident, sports accident. Implant actually is meant for anybody who actually lose their teeth. Implants are unnatural and it looks fake. A properly done implant can look exactly like a tooth. If I put a natural tooth and an implant side by side, a very well done implant, you can't really tell which one is the real one and which one is the implant. Implants do not last long. Implants do last a long time. Study has shown that more than 90% of the cases, they do last more than 10 years. So actually it's better than our COE. Implant require a lot of maintenance. There is no extra maintenance. Maybe small little tricks like how to floss the implants underneath the implant. That is the only thing that you might need to learn, but the rest of it is nearly the same as a natural teeth. Any other question for Dr. Cheng? Come on down and have a chat with me. Dr. Cheng can make you smile. Slay.